Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. So guys, people have been coming for Makhadzi, saying that she is responsible for not paying SARS. She is to blame that she owes SARS, right? So she recently did a live where she was explaining that she did not know anything about this, guys. And I like how she explains that being an artist doesn't mean that you know anything. Talent and education are just two separate things. Please watch this video, we'll discuss it.
You must know that for the fact that not everyone can go to school to study about that. Not everyone is smart. Not everyone is being educated. A talent and education is a different thing. I can be good on singing and I get booking and I get money. But no, if there's no one who's educating me about SARS and everything, I will never know about that. And because of they brought it to my attention, I had to attend it. You understand? Because it's a law. I have to say, okay, because of it's a law, let me attend it. You understand? I feel like maybe at some point we need these classes for our artists to know that SARS must be attended. You understand? Because it's a must, you must attend it. But if you don't know, you don't know. If you don't know, you don't know. I've been working with people, they've never told me about such things. So if they didn't do that and I trusted them, meaning I didn't know about it. Man, if the government come to me with their emails and say I'm owing certain amount, I can't argue with them. I'm not a president. I must obey like everyone. So that's what I'm doing. I'm paying SARS nicely. And that statement, it was my statement.
So as you guys have heard what she said in that video, and I think man, she's telling the truth. Like, we need to encourage this also as fans. They need to start teaching them about this SARS thing. You're making big money, you're winning awards, and the next thing you wake up, you owe 1.2 million or maybe 5 million from SARS. So I guess she is telling the truth, guys. They need to make classes available for artists, especially those who are still new in the industry, to let them know, ever since now that you are an artist, you are receiving this kind of money, this is what you will be paying, and show them how it works. And I'm just glad that at least she is paying, guys. There are a lot of people who are still owing SARS even today, and they did not pay. So I'm glad that she is paying, she is taking responsibility for it. And I'm just also confused, where is the manager? What is her manager saying about all of this? Because as a manager, you should know these things.